Hello, year two. So this is the shun sound dictation, and you need your lined paper ready with the numbers 1 to 8 written down the left-hand side. And remember, you can pause or rewind at any point if you need more time or to hear a word again. Number 1, station, station. Number 2, addition, addition. Number 3, potion, potion. Number 4, caution, caution. Number 5, vacation, vacation. Number 6, fiction, fiction. Number 7, subtraction, subtraction. And number 8, celebration, celebration. And your sentences. Remember, we need a capital letter, finger space, and punctuation. And the punctuation depends on what kind of sentence it is. Can you listen and decide? We spent all of the money on a big celebration. We spent all of the money on a big celebration. The sentence number 2 is, for the celebration, my father took us on vacation. For the celebration, my father took us on vacation.